Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really digging into the machinery behind a specific business relationship.
Right, we're looking at HDTV Supply and the manufacturer Shinybow.
Exactly. HDTV Supply calls itself the 24-year global home for audio and video products. That's quite a claim.
It is. 24 years in electronics is, well, significant longevity.
So our mission is to figure out how that works, specifically how they handle sales, and maybe more importantly, product support, together with Shinybow.
And it seems HDTV Supply isn't just, a standard online store. They're playing a couple of roles here.
Okay.
They're the vendor, the e-commerce platform, yeah. But they're also presented as a key part of the warranty support for Shinybow gear.
Right. So you don't last 24 years selling everything to everyone usually. There must be some focus.
Absolutely. And the sources show real specialization. It's actually quite interesting.
Okay, let's unpack that. What kind of specialization are we seeing?
Well, there are these dedicated sections on their website. One is specifically for government purchasing, and another highlights Shinybow TAA-compliant video and audio products.
TAA compliant. Right, that's the Trade Agreements Act. That's a big deal for government sales.
Exactly. For you listening, TAA basically means products for U.S. government contracts need to be made or substantially changed in the U.S. or specific partner countries.
So selling TAA gear isn't just about the hardware itself. It's about guaranteeing its origin legally. Huge contract risk there if you get it wrong.
Precisely. And that kind of risk almost demands a different level of partnership and support.
Okay, so let's make this concrete. They sell Shinybow stuff. What's an example?
Let's look at the Shinybow SB-3708. It's a 1x8 composite video and stereo audio distribution amplifier.
So 1 input, 8 outputs, composite video. We're talking older formats, right? Like VCRs, maybe some satellite receivers, older cameras.
Legacy equipment, feeding into potentially large systems. It uses those familiar RCA connectors.
And this isn't something you'd, plug into your home TV setup?
Probably not. Look at the specs. The video bandwidth is over 80 millihertz. And it can push that signal up to 1,000 feet.
Wow, okay, 1,000 feet. That screams commercial or government installation. Places where signal quality over distance is absolutely critical.
Exactly. Critical infrastructure stuff. Failure isn't really an option you want to entertain.
Which brings us back to support. If one of these SB-3708 units does fail in some important setup, what's the process?
This is where that dual role gets really clear. HDTV Supply offers a 3-year limited warranty on Shinybow products. That's pretty solid.
3 years, okay.
But here's the key bit from the sources. Getting a warranty replacement, getting that RMA number.
Return merchandise authorization, right?
Yeah. It requires sign-off from both HDTV Supply's support team and Shinybow's support team. Both have to verify it.
Wait, really? Both of them? So if I'm the customer, I might be bounced between 2 different support groups? That sounds inefficient.
It might sound that way compared to, say, returning headphones. But think about the context. TAA compliance, critical infrastructure. Okay. So that dual sign-off isn't just bureaucracy. It's maybe risk management, quality control.
That's how it reads. It suggests a really tight integration. HDTV Supply isn't just passing along a complaint. They're part of the verification loop, ensuring everything lines up, maybe especially for those compliance-sensitive sales.
So HDTV Supply is more than just a long-running web store. They're fundamentally locked into the support and, likely, the compliance structure of Shinybow.
Yeah, that seems to be the core takeaway. It's a partnership that goes way beyond just listing products online. The warranty process really shows that.
Most of us just deal with the vendor for returns, right? Send it back, get a new one.
This feels different. The vendor here, HDTV Supply, is embedded in the manufacturer's quality assurance process.
Okay, so wrapping this up, we see a vendor deeply specialized, particularly in areas like government sales needing TAA compliance.
And that specialization seems directly linked to a very integrated support model with the manufacturer, Shinybow, highlighted by that shared warranty verification. Which leaves us with a final thought for you to chew on. For these specialized high-compliance markets, maybe this kind of deep integrated vendor-manufacturer support structure isn't just a nice-to-have or a competitive edge.
Maybe it's simply the cost of entry. The absolute baseline needed to operate credibly in sectors where compliance and reliability are paramount.